So I'm just starting this job. The homeowner wants some dirt moved around and smoothed out. You can see there's some piles behind me. She also wants some refuse taken away, a tree cut down, and some other garbage taken off the property. And then she wants me to raise the level of the driveway going out behind me too. So I'll get started on that and we'll see how it goes. Well, I just finished the first day here and got quite a bit taken care of. So we got all the cement torn out and loaded into that dumpster over there to the right of the tree. And all the trees and stumps removed and hauled to the dump. Also started grading out and filling some holes in. There's a lot of dirt to move here. It's going to be quite a bit of work going running back and forth with the skid steer. Beautiful morning, just on the third day of this project here. Got pretty much most of the junk all cleared off, cleaned up. starting to look a little better. These big mounds of dirt here, and I'm going to be working on moving those today and raising the driveway up at the left side of that house up there. Peeled back the sod off the top of this one, and so that I don't have that in, making it difficult to grade. And I'm just breaking it up with the mini so that I can scoop it up and spread it. Absolutely breathtaking morning. So this is the end of the fourth day. This big pile of dirt that was here by the trees is gone and graded off now. I spread it out here in this field. I dumped all the stuff with sod in it into the field. I disked it up there with the tractor, and now I'm just dressing it. You can see where I started dressing the top of that with some of this clean dirt. I've got still this huge pile left to take over there, and that should be a couple more days of moving dirt. Up to here today, I also dug some footings along the side of the driveway. She's going to pour a retaining wall, and so there's a couple of guys here that are working on that. They're going to put a concrete retaining wall up here along this side of the driveway. You can see that I dug that for them earlier today. So a couple more days and we should have this wrapped up.